The Rock, and racing. We've got Dare to Dream, draws for the red. Running in second is Holy Nitro. Exciting is running in third. There in fourth, moving up now is Ola Joan, and King Mammoth is now in behind them. Heading towards the last 600 as solo leader. That's Dare to Dream by some 6 lengths. Then moving up now to take second battle is Exciting. Holy Nitro is running in third. Then in fourth is Ola Juan, and King Mammoth is still in behind them. Past the last 400, and it's still Dare to Dream, Exciting, Holy Nitro. Then running in fourth is Ola Juan, and King Mammoth is still trailing the group. And down to the finish, it's still Dare to Dream, this time by some 7 lengths over Exciting, Holy Nitro, Ola Juan, and finally Dare to Dream, Exciting, Holy Nitro, Ola Juan, and number 5, King Mammoth.